Hey everyone, my name is Ewan from HardToSteer.com. This is what we're going to build over the next, how many videos it's going to take. I don't know how many it's going to take, but this is an OSPF routing domain. We're going to be looking at building this. This is going to teach you how OSPF, the Open Shortest Path First Routing Protocol, works. We're going to be looking at different area types, we're going to be looking at different LSAs, and we're going to get right down to the nitty-gritty, not just configuring on these routers, but also right down to the nitty-gritty, showing you exactly what these routers are doing and what they're doing and communicating with each other on the wire, which is brilliant. This is a scenario. This is going to be our fictitious company, and this fictitious company is spread throughout different countries in the United Kingdom, across Europe, and along the way we might just even add somewhere else. But essentially we're bringing in different scenarios that you might see in your Cisco exams, you might even see in the real world, because these are real different types of situations that people will use. This network isn't the right way and it isn't the wrong way. Every network is different, but this is how we're going to build it. Essentially, very quick rundown, we're going to have our London, which is our HQ, and inside here we're going to get to be able to practice with a normal area and inside OSPF, which again we'll all explain. This is essentially the cloud thingy. This is whatever you want it to be. It can be MPLS, frame relay, not as many people using frame relay. It can be whatever you want, but for all intents and purposes, it is the cloud, and all we're doing is connecting to it. In GNS3, it's actually just a switch. We can control it if we really want to. You know, look, there's a big switch, woohoo. But all it really is doing is connecting our core routers together so we can practice OSPF and see the behavior on different types of links. Obviously, we've got people we've merged with and we're redistributing into our own OSPF network. We're going to see the behavior of how different routes come in when we're redistributing. We're looking at stub areas, we're looking at virtual links, we're looking at not so stubby areas, totally stubby areas. And if you've never looked at OSPF before and you think I'm making up totally stubby areas, I'm not. It is there. We're going to be looking at redistribution from different OSPF companies when actually adjacent with this, and we're going to take you through every single bit of it. You're going to have so much fun with this. We're going to kick off in the next video looking at how all this hangs together. What are these routers doing? One thing, these are all Cisco routers, and this is typically geared towards a Cisco course, but the foundation of this OSPF video and these courses will set you up for any manufacturer, be it Juniper or another one I can't think of, because Juniper's the only one I can think of right now. OSPF is an open standard, so yes, there's going to be some wee little things that Cisco are going to have, because, for example, a totally stubby area is actually Cisco proprietary, but you don't need to have Cisco. Anyway, I'm getting into too much detail. Join me in the next video where we're going to start looking at all these different configurations. I'm going to show you the end result, then we're going to scrub everything and we're going to start all over again. You're going to watch me and I'll guide you through the different steps on how to configure this. So very soon, keep an eye on the channel. We'll see you soon.